This is a video to practice Pop Goes the Weasel on page number 8. Here we have the time signature 3/4, which means 3 beats in 1 measure. So I'm going to put my metronome on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure the half note gets 2 beats. So it's 1, 2, up, down, 2, up. Okay, let's get started. Violin is up. Hand position is like this with your thumb pointing toward that ceiling. Make sure you have no pancake hands. You have the space underneath the thumb and your bow is ready. And I have my bow placed on the D string. After 3 beats, please. 1, 2, 3. F sharp, second finger. Hold, 2, 3. First finger. F sharp, 2, 3. Third line. First finger E. F sharp, second. A. 1, 2, 3. First finger B. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Freeze until the conductor's baton comes down and put your violin.